Your audience can be from different countries and therefore speak other languages, so it's very important to know how to cater to your subscribers and potential viewers around the world by adding subtitles in their languages. Today, we'll be covering exactly how to add subtitles to your YouTube videos, and how to see what are the top languages that you must add to your videos for the maximum reach for your audience, so watch until the end to be fully updated on this. If you enjoy content like this, make sure to subscribe to never miss useful info like this in the future. With that in mind, let's get started. So our first method will take place when you're making the actual video. You need to have a script that entails all that was said during the video and have it typed somewhere convenient like in Google Docs or in Microsoft Word. Google Docs is so convenient as it has an autosave feature, but either option is fine. Once you have that covered, go ahead and upload your video. Once it's completed the upload, do the normal upload requirements and head over to the Add Subtitles section. Choose the Auto Sync option and place the script in there, then click Done. Next, process the video as you would normally and head over to the Subtitles section after choosing whether to make it public, unlisted or private. Now, since you already added your script, you're now able to add whatever language you need for your audience around the world. Let's look at an example here. Let's choose 2 languages, and to make it official, we'll make sure to use the Auto Translate option. In fact, you can add as many languages as you need. Then when you're done, you can then go ahead and test these subtitles out by going to view the official video. Now, that takes care of method 1. Next we have a method that can work from within the subtitles section. Sometimes, the videos have the correct translation applied automatically, in which case, you're able to go ahead and click on the duplicate and edit option, then click publish. After that, you can use the same method of the add language option as we did before, and get as many options for languages for your audience as needed. So you can use this method going forward with your audience, and see it grow tremendously. Now, here's a major help that you can get for knowing what subtitles to add. For this, you must employ the free TubeBuddy browser extension, and it will literally show you the top 10 languages spoken by your audience, saving you the trouble of researching this yourself. And of course there are a ton of other benefits that TubeBuddy flexes with, such as their famous advanced keyword research, that would cater to your channel specifically, and they offer other useful features such as a thumbnail generator, and even a tracker that keeps up with the analytics of where you share your videos. They offer conveniently priced plans that can allow you to maximize on these features for the fastest growth, as it will act like an online coach, supporting you all the way. A link will be available in the description and pinned in the comments for you to check this out and see for yourself. Right now, they are offering a special holiday pricing on all packaging prices, so don't waste any time. There's no contracts, you can cancel anytime, and there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. Well, with that in mind, I hope you found value in this video. Make sure to ask any questions in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to help. And choose this video here to learn about another powerful YouTube coach.